Good afternoon, fishermen. Westerly. Let's go and see if we can catch something. Right at the end of the cast, down by that swan down there. So they've moved out into deeper water. But because there's only two of us here, it's not worth moving because they'll come back in. If there was 4 or 5 people here, I'd walk out and around. There's only 2 of us, as I said. No pressure, don't have to make any concessions. Some people have problems with personal space. They're quite happy to walk around in front of you. That's what their fella Adrian does. He wonders why he's not Mr. Popular. He's been mouthing off about the Maoris down there. Perhaps I'm just prattling. We started an argument before. Oh yeah, they're around. Well, there's a stunner. Awesome. Is it what?